Now more than ever, it is so important to have the right team in place when it comes to selling your home. My name is Katy Carlson. I'm with Whissel Realty. Let's rewind a little bit to what we are now referring to as the COVID years. It was a very hot market for sellers because interest rates were so low. So what that means is that homes were flying off the shelves. Now, fast forward a little bit, in 2022, interest rates hiked, which means that the buyer pool has shrunk. And while that may seem a little bit dramatic, it's a really healthy thing for the market. Things have kind of evened out. However, it's not as easy as just putting a sign in your yard and waiting for all of the offers to come in. It's really important to think about how you're going to market your home. Here at Whissel Realty, we have what we call a 7-day listing launch. This is trademarked, tried, and true. What I really want to focus on is the way that we present and care for the presentation of your home. It is blowing my mind when I'm online doing my job trying to align buyers with homes, and I am seeing so many houses out there that it looks like somebody went in and shot with their cell phone and took a couple pictures and uploaded them to the MLS. Or I'm seeing cat towers or cords or laundry laying out in these photos that are meant to showcase your house. Not only do we not do any of that, but we have a lot of steps in place to ensure that your home presents as beautifully as possible. The first thing that we're going to do is send an interior designer over to your house. This is at no extra cost to you. They're going to go in there and say, hey, maybe put the cat towers in the garage or put the laundry away. But beyond that, in all honesty, they'll tell you that it might be really nice to declutter here, or if you angle this way. So they're really going to take care of how your home is looking. And once that's all taken care of, next, we're going to send over a photography team to your house. Not only are they going to take special care with lighting and angles, but if there's an opportunity, we'll get in there with a drone and get shots of your backyard and your view. Before we upload any of these pictures to the MLS, we're going to make sure that they're edited so that they look absolutely perfect. And if we weren't able to catch a sunset picture of your home, we'll edit that. We call this twilight conversion. So the goal of all of this is to stop the scroll. We know that all buyers look at homes online before they actually go view the property. So we want your photos to be the one that makes the buyer say, oh my gosh, look at this. Honey, come look at 123 Main Street. Isn't it beautiful? We have people interested in seeing your home and getting inside your home. That's where we really get to expect offers to come in. And the more offers that we have, the more money you get in your pocket and the better the terms that you get presented with are. Understand the importance of all of these extra steps that we take here at Whissel. When you hire me as your listing agent, you get an entire team of people working for you. And I think that that's so powerful, not only to get buyers in and get you the most money, but to really show you that we care about this place that you have called home. We want this entire experience from beginning to end to feel as easy and as beautiful as possible. So give me a call. As I mentioned, this is only a portion of what we do when it comes to listing your house. I'd love to tell you more. Call or text me anytime.